Take a right on West 25th Street, then continue straight for a quarter mile.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, that's perfect.
It's a bit cloudy today, but this is the New York Times, and of course, that's Times Square, a few blocks up. Kind of busy. It's the morning commute, so just wanted to show you guys that. Hi guys, this is my second time staying at the Fairfield Inn in Manhattan near Port Authority. Small room check, not too much. Of course, it's small, it's New York City. I would say it's pretty dated, but like for the price, I really can't complain. And I'm literally only staying here for one night, so it pretty much does the job. Air and heat is working, and of course, there's not much of a view. But yeah, this will be where I'll be staying for the next day, and I'll try to take as much content or footage as I can as I'm here in New York City. So yeah, stay tuned.